Hello guys, today I've got the REALME C75 phone and we're going to fix the battery drain. This is actually not so easy issue to fix on this type of phone because this is actually old phone, but let's do what we can. Open the settings and here now scroll down till you see here the battery. Here, as you can see, we have got the battery usage. If you here tap this last 24 hours, you can see the last 7 days. And if you scroll down, you'll see what application you have here. If you see that there are some anomalies, or if you tap on some application, you can see that you have battery usage and screen usage time very low and battery usage very high. It means that you need to either uninstall or force up this application. Of course, remember to avoid these applications that are certain applications, built-ins, or some necessary applications, like for example app settings, setup, startup wizard, or system UI, or Android setup. These applications are necessary for our phone to be working. But if you go to apps and here app management, you can find these applications like for example Amazon Shopping or etc. I mean these applications and especially the social applications. After you are done, we can go to the next step. Uninstall bloatware. What is bloatware? These are these pre-installed applications that are actually very useless and they are here. And what I mean by that is actually you need to uninstall these applications because they are unnecessary and they just, are very bad for your phone. If you have your storage very much, covered with this bloatware, you need to just uninstall this bloatware. So, for example, this is Amazon Shopping that I didn't install, and this is the bloatware. Select here, uninstall, OK. Same with the AliExpress, Amazon Music, here, Block Blast, Booking.com, Bubble Pop. Do this with every application that is just either a game or something like that. So, let's go to the next thing. Open the Google Play Store, and I think I'm not logged in, so let me quickly log into my account. It was not, of course, a moment, but now we are here. And what you need to do is to open here, search, and now you need to search for AccuBattery. I know that I told you that you need to uninstall the applications that are necessary for you, but this is not a bloatware. This is actually a necessary application and very actually useful application. So install this application and wait a moment. Here hit open and now you need to wait a moment. As you can see, we've got this calibration process, some tips, and this basic introduction. Hit finish. And now, as you can see, here I've got 4 sections: charging and health. But before that, tap this red, as you can see, notification at the top, and here tap Open Power Optimization Settings. Tap AccuBattery, and here make sure that the low background usage is enabled. Then go back and tap Open App Settings. Here we should be able to set here allow background activity, it needs to be enabled, and allow. Now we can go back, and as you can see, we've got battery usage unrestricted. So we can go back even further. We can, as you can see, delete these notifications. And what I mean by this application that is necessary and useful is that go to the health and here scroll down. As you can see, if you charge your phone for a little bit, like for example, you use your phone for a week with this application installed, you can see the battery capacity. If the capacity is below 80%, you need to just go to the certified authorized service and fix it. Just have it fixed because it's just, everything below 80, maybe 75 or something like that is, these are just, very unsafe phones. So you need to make sure to change this. And the same, if you go to charging and see something red, especially red, of course after a week of using, some red things. It means that you need to take this into consideration and go to the authorized service and have it fixed. As you can see, I've got here battery current almost yellow, and here I think it will be red, but here I've got, as you can see, yellow, which is actually bad. But when it's here green or yellow, it's nice, so don't worry. So what else can I actually recommend to you? If you go to the settings over here, if I miss them, I was searching for them, and go back again to the battery, or maybe apps, no, battery. You need to detect the same things that I showed you, this battery usage by app. Then go back to the apps, here app management, and instead of forcing them to stop or uninstalling them, tap this battery usage that was here, and here make sure that this is disabled. All the background activity is disabled for every application that is, just disable it. Disable this option for every single application that we have here, that we have there at the top, and optimize battery use here. You need to tap always ask or auto optimize. And as the final actual resort, we can just restart our phone. If you don't see any errors in your AccuBattery, you need to just, I think, go to the authorized service still, because there may be some issue that you can't, see. This is just, unrecognizable or something like that, and it still needs to be fixed. But apart from that, the simple restart should be good. Also, hold the power button and the volume here. Wait a moment. I need to do something like this here. Oh no, not Gemini. Here, but the volume up and power, and here drag. That's why I should go to the restart. And this should be this actually for this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.